Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to open Google Forms with Messenger. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to go and be opening up the official Google Forms website right here, docs.google.com/forms. This is the main URL that you want to open up. Once you have opened it up, you'll be greeted by the main page right here. This is going to be the main page where in the upper right corner we can get started by signing up for an account if you do not already have one. Sign up for an account if you need one. If not, just log in normally to your Google account, and once you have logged in, you'll be greeted by the home page right here. This is going to be the main page where we can get started with everything. We have the option to create a new form, we have the option to view recent forms that we can access, and so on. So basically guys, what we want to do is get started with opening up your form. If you do not already have a form, what you can do is create it from here by clicking the plus button. Once you have created your form, it's going to look like this. Untitled form, you can give it a name, a description, put your questions in, and so on. So it's going to look like this. Here I have created a form. This is my tutorial form for a video where I can go ahead and answer any questions I have, add questions, and so on. And now we can get started. Here we have info showing us this article showing us how to connect Facebook Messenger and Google Forms to unlock the power of automation. So we're going to be using the Zapier project. You can use other projects and other services if you want, but Zapier is going to give you this integration for free, and it's very easy to use. So you can go and try it out in the trial for free if you want. Here you can go ahead and follow the steps. So basically guys, you'll be able to go ahead and send messages from Facebook Messenger page for new Google Form responses, and vice versa. You'll be able to connect these two. So what you want to do is click integrate for free. This is going to enable you to get started creating your Zapier account. Once you have created your account, you can get started with trying it out. Following the steps right here is going to enable you to set up actions from Google Forms and your Messenger account to start the automation process, and basically that's it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.